The 2021 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Performante. After Lamborghini's chief technical officer Maurizio Reggiani was adamant in suggesting that the Huracan has already matured and reached its peak, "That badge is finished," were his words. By the way, we were expecting rumors about the replacing model. However, a mysterious set of spyshots is bringing us back on the topic of a lighter, more powerful version of the Huracan slated to make a debut in the following months. We know Lamborghini likes to pull off anniversary editions as well as farewell editions for its cars, but if the recent rumors are true, this could be, in fact, a high-powered Huracan to rule them all, one that would sit above both the Evo and the Performante. In fact, it could be called Huracan Evo Performante, although we're taking that.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.